You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Global markets remain under pressure due to worsening U.S. fiscal conditions, which have triggered a sell-off in Treasuries and pushed yields to 18-month highs. Investors are concerned about a proposed tax and spending bill that could add $3.8 trillion to the national debt, along with a recent downgrade of the U.S. credit outlook by Moody's. Meanwhile, European markets show resilience. The STOXX 600 is outperforming the S&P 500 and Nasdaq, and Germany's DAX has hit record highs. This is partly due to a temporary halt on U.S. tariffs and signs of recovering consumer demand in China. However, investors remain focused on ongoing U.S. European Union trade talks and potential fiscal stimulus in Germany. The U.S. dollar has fallen to a two-week low against the yen, sliding to 143.27, amid growing concerns over America's fiscal stability and weak demand for 20-year Treasury bonds. Markets are wary of President Trump's proposed spending and tax cut plans. As a result, investors are turning to alternatives. The euro, yen, and Swiss franc have strengthened, while gold has reached a near two-week high of $3,325 per ounce. Oil prices have remained largely flat, following an unexpected build in U.S. crude inventories by 1.3 million barrels. Geopolitical factors are also playing a role. Upcoming nuclear talks between the U.S. and Iran have helped ease market tensions. As the third largest oil producer in OPEC, Iran plays a critical role in global supply, and any conflict risks disrupting shipments and pushing prices higher. Bitcoin has surged to a new all-time high, surpassing $110,000, continuing its climb amid dollar weakness and rising interest from institutional investors. Supporting this momentum were recent moves by traditional financial institutions, including J.P. Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon's comments on client demand for Bitcoin, and Coinbase's inclusion in the S&P 500 index. However, it's worth noting that Coinbase is currently under investigation by the U.S. Department of Justice following a recent data breach. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.